Hey you guys, I have a Christmas DIY. We're gonna go ahead and use these dollar store baskets that you know I love. If you get your hands on them, they are in the birthday section, and I'm just gonna remove the sticker. They're super easy to remove these stickers. And the glue does not stick on there, which I love about these baskets. They're super affordable. They can always reuse them to put in makeup brushes, candies, chocolates. They can reuse this basket for anything on their desk, in their kitchen. That's why I love these baskets. And they are big enough to give somebody a great gift, yet not too big to go over exaggerated. You know, they're like in the medium size. They're perfect. They're not too small or too big. I love the pattern on them. They hold the weight, they do not break, and they last a long time, and they are $1, so therefore they are my perfect DIY. I'm going to grab some alcohol rubbing, and I'm just going to clean them up because I am adding vinyl to them. You know, I love to customize everything, and I love to customize these little baskets. I love them ever since I found them at the dollar store, and ever since I started with my Cricut. I can't get enough of just customizing these baskets, you guys. My mind is always running with ideas. As you, if you know me already, my mind is always thinking ahead and always thinking how I want to personalize. And these baskets are going to be for my sisters, of course, for their Christmas theme. I'm going to go ahead and surprise you right now. Guess what the theme is for Christmas this year for their baskets? I always have a theme. And this year, you're going to see it right now. I don't want to say it right now because I want you to keep guessing. What do you think it is? Is it a know me? Is it Santa? What's my theme this year? If you guys know me, I already posted it on Instagram. If you can't figure it out, here it is. It's the gingerbread. The little gingerbread man. He is so adorable. And this is my theme for Christmas for the girls this year. By the girls, I mean my sisters. So we're going to go ahead and do this together. I'm going to cut it out right here. And I'm going to show you how I put everything together, because you guys always want a video showing step by step how I put everything together. Now, the only thing I didn't record was how I did them on the computer. I figured it was a little too much, but if you guys do want that step, let me know and I'll start doing that for you. I might as well, since I make them anyways. It doesn't hurt to go ahead and just, you know, show you. I'm going to go ahead and remove some of this so you see how it's going to come out. And look at how easy that is. I'm going to leave the link down below for the vinyl, so you can go ahead and get a $5 discount when you order it. This is my favorite place to order my vinyl. Look at how easy that removed. So you get a $5 off, and as well, you get the vinyl you're looking for. So I'll leave that link down below, as well as the link for the decals and everything else you need to know. I'll leave that down below. You know, I got your back. I always love to tell you exactly how I did it, where I did it, and how much it was. So I'll leave all those links down below. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this down just so I have it ready to put it together. Now, these little projects are, how do I say? They're not hard, maybe the first time, because you don't know what you're doing. So make sure you look at this video as many times as you need to show you how to put every step by step together, because it is hard the first time, but once you do it, trust me, you're going to go crazy and want to make so many designs and put so many things together just for your baskets, and you're going to customize it, and you're going to write names, and you're going to write everything you want once you get the hang of it. It is a little scary in the beginning, because if you make a mistake with this vinyl, it's going to stick under. It's not going to come out. The whole basket is going to be ruined. But if you do make a mistake, do the best you can to cover it up and keep moving. This is just a DIY. This is nothing, unless you're selling them. This is just for fun. This is my theme for my sister's Christmas baskets as we're getting them ready together. Look at how adorable this gingerbread is. How cute is he? This is so adorable. So this is my theme, you guys. I am going to make another video where we're going to fill up these baskets for Christmas. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel so you can get that notification when we're ready to fill these up. And that'll be soon. But look at this. How cute is he? I fell in love with him as soon as I saw the decal, and I knew this was my next theme for Christmas. So all we're doing is putting it together. That's all we're doing is going to prep these baskets right now. And this is part of my series that I have coming up for Christmas. We're prepping all the stuff together, having so much fun, just putting it, watching it get done. I'm going to go ahead and remove every little piece that I need to remove. But I'll link the series down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I'm going to do a playlist just for that. So that way you can just go to the playlist and get some coffee while you're watching me prep all my Christmas baskets and stuff, as well as my bags. And then I'll have the videos where we're going to put everything together, add little goodies on there. I have so many surprises coming up. I have a giveaway coming up. So much fun. You guys, I love me some Christmas. I know you guys do too. So yeah, love Christmas. Merry Christmas, you guys. Look at how cute this is coming out. There you go. You have your little cute gingerbread man, and he's going to look so adorable in the baskets. I'm going to go ahead and prep the rest. The vinyl is really nice to work with. It comes out super easy. You can even use your fingers as I am, and it just peels right off. Let me know what your theme is this year. If you guys have a theme, I know a lot of people do have a theme. Like some of them are the gnomes, some of them are Santa, some of them are the peppermint theme. Let me know what theme you're doing this year. For my baskets, I'm doing the gingerbread, and I thought it would be cute to do this adorable little gingerbread man for the baskets this year. So this is my theme this year. Last year, I'm gonna say it was the gnome, and this year it is the adorable gingerbread. So all I'm doing is removing every piece that needs to get removed. Look at how adorable that is. And then we're going to start putting this together. Now, we're going to take our time when we're putting this together. We don't want to mess up. We want to go ahead and have everything ready. So I am just preparing everything with you. I know it's hard to see because this is white, but it's going to come all together once we start stacking it up. All I'm going to do is cut everything. I want to have everything cut so when I'm ready to layer, I can see every little piece that I need. And it's much easier just to put together. Since you guys can't see the white, trust me, it's there. The white is basically his buttons, because he has little buttons coming down from the scarf. So the white is the buttons. The white is also going to be on the gift and on the hat. That is the white on the gingerbread. I love the color I picked. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a gold gingerbread. I saw somebody make a gold one or the brown one, but I think the brown one is more traditional. It's so much cuter. I love the way it came out. Maybe next year I'll do the gold one, or maybe I'll change my theme. You know, I love to change themes every year. I don't know why. Once we have everything together, I'm just dividing it up just so I know I don't get it mixed up, because you could get stuff mixed up, especially if it's white like this. You can hardly see it as it is. Make sure you have your transfer tape ready as well. I got the transfer tape. I got it from the same place that I got the vinyl. One of my favorite transfer tapes in the world. I'm going to show you right now, because in case you want to work with this kind of stuff, you need a clear transfer tape to guide you. I'm sorry, but you need a clear one just to guide you through the whole project. And this is my transfer tape. I love this transfer tape. Not only does it have the grid lines, they are clear once you lift it. The lines are just to help you. See how it just measures, and then I look at the lines and I know exactly what size I need. I love the fact that this transfer tape has those little lines on there. It kind of like guides you through the whole thing. And I love that. You need guidance when you're making these kind of projects. They're super hard to make as it is. So why not get all the help you can possibly get? Now I'm just going to cut it up, measure it, and the little lines will guide me through the whole process. Now, when you lift this transfer tape, it lifts clear. So don't think that the lines are going to be there, because it's going to lift clear just to help you. It's better that way, just to guide you through the whole process. If it's clear, all I'm doing is cutting it down. Cut it as close as you can without cutting the gingerbread. Look at how it's going to lift. You see the little lines? That's going to guide you through the whole process. Now make sure when you scrape it that you scrape it all the way down, and you scrape it really good. That way there's no air bubbles. See how I messed up? I should have scraped the whole thing really good, and I learned my lesson, and I'm letting you know so you guys don't make the same mistake. Scrape it really good all the way down so there's no air bubbles. You don't want no air bubbles on there. Scrape it all the way down, all of it, the whole thing. And then you lift it. That's going to prevent any wrinkles. That's going to prevent any air bubbles on your project, and everything's going to come out super cute. Don't do it all the way up. Make sure you go more down. You need room for the hat. I learned through my mistakes, and I guide you through your process. Always have and always will. That's why I have this channel. So you won't make the same mistakes. Once it's nice and flat, go ahead and press it. Press it as hard as you can. Press it nice and flat. Keep pressing it until you have it exactly how you want it, and then lift it. Don't throw away that transfer tape. We're going to use the same tape through the whole project. You don't need to get a new piece. This transfer tape is really good. I'm going to show you right now how I'm going to use it through the whole project, and it's going to guide me through everything. And look at how adorable that came out. Look at how cute that looks on there. Now I'm going to cut another little piece, and that's going to be for like the little side things. So we're going to add the hat. We're going to do step by step. And we're going to do it together. Now, when you're making this, take your time. Don't get rushed. Make sure you are doing this on a day where you have nothing to do, so you can take your time. Don't feel rushed. Don't feel pressure to get it all together, because this is a tedious DIY and you need all the time you can to pull it off. And once you have the hat, we're going to press that in, and then we're going to lift it. Perfect. And we're going to do the next step. So I'm going to do step by step till we get the whole thing together. The next step I'm going to use the same transfer tape. As you can tell, I'm not going to waste anything. I'm going to use the same one. I'm going to lift it, and this is going to be the top of the hat. Take your time. And you're going to add it to the top of the hat. Press it in. As soon as you have it and you know where you want it, press it in. Grab your scraper, scrape that, and then lift it. It's coming together so cute, you guys. I was a little scared to do this project because it is layering, and I'm really not good at layering. I usually do my vinyl decal like all together. I do layer like a color or two, but not like this. I have never made a project like this where I'm just layering it all together to see how it comes out. This is something new to me, so I am learning as well and sharing with you my tips and tricks. Now the scarf. Make sure you scrape everything in before you lift it. And look at how cool that looks. It's coming together. Super cute. I'm so excited. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the next piece, which is going to be the little gift. Scrape it down, lift it, and we're going to add it right on the hand. So it's going to go like right on the hand, but underneath the scarf. You're not going to put it on top, underneath it. Scrape it in there. Pull it. You see how he's grabbing the gift? Cute. The next thing is the little white piece on the gift. Now this is going to go on top of the gift. And it's going to add some like color to it. And it's going to go just right on top. Perfect. You can even use your finger to set it on there, or use your scraper, whatever you like. I like to use the scraper. It works. For some reason, it just works better. I'm going to lift it. And it's so cute. The next step, and we're almost there, believe it or not, is going to be right there. And this is going to go just right on top of the hat, just to give it some dimension. We're going to press it right on there. And it came out super cute, let me tell you. Now the last step on here is going to be the little buttons that come down underneath the scarf. And this is going to be, just to make it look so cute, this is going to be the little cute factor. And all I'm doing is taking off something I forgot before we add them on there. Because once we add them on there, you know, they're just going to stay on there. So if they are crooked, you guys just let it be. Don't try to lift it. You're going to ruin the whole project. If something comes out bad, just let it be and keep going. Make it as you know, just try to make it as nice as you can and move on. You're going to see the buttons right now. And you see how cute that is? And we're just going to add them right underneath. And there's 2 of them. And that gives it that little wow factor. Believe it or not, those little buttons just seal the deal for me. And I thought that was adorable. I'm happy I did it. I'm happy I tried this layering. It came out super cute. I'm so proud of myself. This is the first time I did a project this intense and this long. And I love it, you guys. Let me know if you guys are going to make one. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And in the next video, we'll be filling these up. Wait until you see what I'm going to put inside these baskets. You guys are not going to believe it. The theme is the cutest gingerbread. It came out so cute. Thank you for having all the patience. Merry Christmas, you guys. I can't believe it's Christmas. And thanks for prepping these with me. Look at how adorable that came out. I never thought I would like the gingerbread so much like I did. Happy I did. Thank you for helping me. Make sure you comment down below if you have any ideas for me. I would love to hear what do you think of this little project, how it came out. And until next time, bye you guys.